So, Verena, on behalf of the committee that helped you with the campaign, but you did all of the hard work. We just basically sat behind a desk and did computer work. But we are thrilled that you won a seat and that you will be on the bench. So we have a little gift for you.
Okay, can I open it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
So
Can we see it?
We got her judicial robe.
Oh.
But we have to get her specific measurements, so it will be ordered to size.
Nice.
And then she'll get to wear it in her swearing in.
Which everyone will be invited to. They don't intend to do that until January. I'll be sworn in, God willing, like January 1st or maybe at the end of December. And then we tend to have a celebration within the Bronx. So for those of you who are not familiar with Bronx County, you will become familiar with Bronx County. Hey, wait a minute, you can't be laughing here. When I was a line assistant, it used to work out perfectly for me because I lived in Brooklyn. And I was an assistant in the Bronx, so I was safe either way. Because Bronx people were not going to come to Brooklyn after me, and Brooklyn people weren't going to go to the Bronx. But honestly, what I have learned over the years, I think the Bronx wants you to think there's nothing there of value. There are beautiful neighborhoods in the Bronx. I mean, I know one because I was prosecutor as well as a defense attorney, and basically went to a lot of locations. But out there, meeting people in the streets, you know, and believe me, I was leaving the house between 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning to get to certain subway stations so I can meet people going to work. But there are some absolutely beautiful areas of the Bronx. And the courthouse, in case you didn't know, it'll be in the old courthouse, which is 851 Grand Concourse. That was a WPA project. So I mean, okay, I'm sorry, I was a history major. You know, but it is a beautiful building. You know, even though there are newer buildings in the Bronx, I think it's a magnificent building. So I would like you guys to join me there when we have the installation. And please forgive me, I was not trying to be rude to my committee. My committee has been awesome because, as I mentioned, you know, I came into this a little late. And as I mentioned, I work for the city of New York, so I had to take a leave of absence. So I wasn't allowed to form a committee. I wasn't allowed, my committee that had not been formed was not in a position to help me fundraise. So there were a lot of obstacles in my way. So I am very appreciative of Gary. I'm very appreciative of Pllc, of Patricia, who was behind me, Denise, who was to my right, Aaron, who is not here, and you're Miss Torrance.
Yes, I
who
am.
I had never met in person. Okay, so I mean, that's how awesome they were. These individuals came together to make sure things worked out. I even actually had some friends from college who were calling in on our weekly meetings to help them try to get things together. So to say that I am blessed is an understatement. So I'm very appreciative to everything that they did. And these two right here, they're taskmasters. You know, everything from, you need to smile more. You know, like why are you wearing sunglasses? They're not sunglasses, they're prescription lenses. I couldn't get my contacts in this morning. They were like, you need to get more sleep to get those contacts in. You know, I mean, everything, you know, so. But at the same time.
It's all said with love.
Yeah, right. But those of you who are legal counsel, you know the ability of these two individuals. For those of you who don't know them as legal counsel, they are awesome in all areas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But we also want to thank everyone who's here tonight and everyone who's made a contribution. Without all of your contributions, we could not have been successful. So thank you very much. Large, small, we're grateful for it.
Yeah, we'll take them all.
Yeah. and if there's a little more to give, please don't hesitate. We have forms that you can fill out, and we can take cash, check, or credit card.
Yeah, there is some more campaign debt to retire, so anything you can give will be helpful. Do not talk to the candidate about it. Please either track down myself or Pllc.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
And enjoy. There's so much food. Please help yourself, drinks, and mingle.
All right.
Thank you all for coming, and please continue to enjoy.